Thanks, guys. Back up. Good. Come on. Go.
Got it. Yep.
Go. Get out the way!
I'm sorry. 35-year-old male, gunshot wound to the head, traumatic arrest, intubated, ALS.
That might have another.
I got you, okay. You heard that, right?
Southwest, yes, you need it.
Negative. Everything's under control.
Yeah.
712.
Response, watch moment for 30 kill.
4-2, it is not one and the same. Sarah Columbia, you can mark it 90 zebra.
Showcase in there.
Out of Central.
I don't see the gun.
How's it, got him?
Thomas 35, zero station WI 533, no 32, Alexis 1306
I don't think you can see it. He's
70 Charlie.
Positive 11.
Yeah, like the commercial bird got 515 4th Avenue, 515 4th Avenue, running ADP at 449 39th Street, 449 39th Street on the third floor, between 4th and 5th Avenue.